Dear viewers, my name is Albert Wilson Kapala from Tanzania. Welcome to the series of my video whereby today I'm going to show you how to create the data entry application. And how to create the data entry application, I'm going to cover some few steps. The first one is going to be on how to examine the questionnaire, and the other one is how to start using the software CSpro, and the other one is on how to use the wizard for new. Before starting using CSpro, first of all you have to install the CSpro software in your computer, and the CSpro, the free one, whereby you can just download from Census Bureau website. Now this moment I'm going to show you how you can get it through that website. So you just go to Google and write Census Bureau, and then from Census Bureau just go to that one, census.gov. Then because we are just looking to CSpro, then you have to search through the searching button over there. Then you open the International Program Overview. Now this is where you can get the different kind of information related to CSpro. For example, you can get the overview, documentation, the downloads, and the other related materials from other sites. But right at this moment we want to see how we can download the software itself. You just go to download software, download CSpro, then you can get this one. Now if you want to download it, then you just come here and download the CSpro of version 5.0.2 and with the full installation. So that is how you can access the CSpro software. Gentlemen, before starting preparing the data entry application, first of all we have to go through our questionnaire in order to make sure that we understand all the questions that are available in our questionnaire. In connection with that one, I'm going to present to you the short questionnaire. Contains two topics on all person, and the other one is the second one on household information. As usual, we have to start with the household ID in order to identify, to differentiate this set of questionnaires. And under all persons is the first topic that is available in my questionnaire. I'm going to have the variables like age, sex, and marital status. And under sex, we are going to have male and female, and marital status with the two options of married and not married. The second topic, as I said, that is going to be on household information. And this one we've got only two questions. The first one is on type of housing, and the other one on type of roof. For type of housing, the options are single family, multi-family, and homeless. For type of roof, the options are wood, metal, and others. Now, these questions, we've seen that we have ID, we have these topics, and we have questions, and we have options. Now, in CSpro, these topics are used to be called records. This one is very important to remember because we shall be using the term in all the remaining series of the videos. And also age, sex, marital status, type of housing, type of roof, these are called the items in CSpro. And these options, the options like male, female, male not married, single, family, multi-family, homeless, wood, metal, these are called the value sets. So we have records, we have items, we have value sets. Records means topics or modules. Items means questions. Value sets are these set of options available in each question. Ladies and gentlemen, we've seen how to examine the questionnaire and how we can see the relationship between the available set of questions. Now we are going to start. We are just going direct to CSpro and trying to create the data entry application. Right at this moment, I'm going to use the CSpro of version 5.0. that has been installed in my computer, and I've already show you how to access the CSpro software. So before starting creating data entry application, first of all you have to create the working folder. Right at this moment I'm going to create my folder at the desktop over here. Then my folder is going to be program folder. That is the folder name I'm going to work on. So we are going direct to open the CSpro. You have to click that one, the icon that has been the shortcut of CSpro in your laptop or desktop, whatever. Then you after opening it, then you are going to have this this box, start CSpro. Then you have two options over here, because we are just starting right at this moment. Then you have to create the new application option. Then you have to create the new application option, and then you have to say okay. Then we have these three set of applications. The first one is data entry application, the other one is batch edit application, and the last one is tabulation application. Of course, right at this moment we are going to be just dealing with the data entry application. Later on I will show you how we can use batch edit application and how to use the tabulation application. So you have to select the data entry application, then you have to respond on it, and then you have to say okay. Then you have to make sure that you are within the folder you created at the beginning, the program folder at this moment. Then you have to create our first file. You can see here the file type is data entry application with the extension .ent. So my first file is going to be my entry, and I have to save it. Then we have the data entry application box. Then you have to create the new application, and again you must make sure that you are within the program folder. Then again we have the DCF extension .dcf, and this is a data dictionary file. Our data dictionary file name is my dictionary. Then I've already saved that one. Then we have to say okay. Then because we've just created the new file, my dictionary, and it doesn't exist in our program folder, then CSpro asks us if we want to create or not, because the file we've created, it doesn't exist therein. Then you have to say okay. Ladies and gentlemen, then we've already created the new data entry application. In the coming series of my video, I'm going to cover different parts related to this window. You can see here we have file, we have edit, view, options, tool, window, and also we shall learn how to use help. And we have some icons at the top of our window, like this one, the yellow one. So each and everything is going to be covered in the series of my video. So you're most welcome. Thank you.